Unraveling Emulation. Can PPSSPP run PS2 games?
Hello everyone! In this video, we'll be addressing a commonly asked question within the gaming community. Can the PPSSPP emulator run PS2 games on PC or Android devices? If you're interested in playing your beloved PS2 titles on different platforms, stick around, and we'll provide some clarity on the matter.
What is PPSSPP?
First, let's start with understanding what PPSSPP is. PPSSPP stands for PlayStation Portable Simulator suitable for playing portably. It's an open-source PSP emulator that allows you to play PSP games on various platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and many more. Its main function is to accurately emulate the environment of the PlayStation Portable console.
Can PPSSPP run PS2 games?
Now, coming to the crux of our discussion, can PPSSPP run PS2 games? The straightforward answer is, unfortunately, no. The PPSSPP emulator is specifically designed to emulate the architecture of the PSP, not the PS2. Therefore, it doesn't have the capabilities to run PS2 games. Trying to run PS2 games on a PSP emulator would be akin to trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. The software and hardware requirements simply don't match up. Each gaming console has a unique system architecture, and emulators are tailored to replicate these specific environments.
How can I play PS2 games on PC or Android?
While PPSSPP can't help you play PS2 games, don't lose hope. There are other emulators that can. For playing PS2 games on your PC, you can use the PCSX2 emulator, which is a highly popular, open-source PS2 emulator. For Android devices, there are also specific emulators like Daemon PS2 and Play, which are designed to run PS2 games. Always remember to respect the law and the rights of game developers when using these tools. That wraps up our discussion for today. The PPSSPP emulator can't run PS2 games as it is specifically designed for PSP games. However, there are other dedicated PS2 emulators available for both PC and Android devices, so you can still enjoy your favorite PS2 games on different platforms. We hope this video cleared up any confusion you might have had about emulators. Stay tuned for more video game insights and, as always, happy gaming!